Hi everyone, are you a Flutter developer who recently updated to Xcode 15 and is now facing a frustrating error that looks something like Xcode, DTTOOLCHAINDIR cannot be used to evaluate LIBRARYSEARCHPATHS? This particular error can be a major hurdle, completely stopping your iOS builds and preventing your Flutter apps from running on Apple devices or simulators. It's a common issue that many developers encounter after a significant Xcode update, especially with Xcode 15 introducing various internal path changes that Flutter's build process sometimes struggles to adapt to immediately. Essentially, this problem revolves around how Xcode locates its necessary libraries, where the DTTOOLCHAINDIR variable is supposed to point to Xcode's developer tools. When this variable isn't set correctly or Xcode anticipates a different format for its path evaluation, this perplexing error message frequently appears. But don't worry, we have several effective solutions to help you overcome this challenge today, getting your Flutter projects back on track. Our first recommended solution is often the most straightforward and effective: a thorough clean of your build artifacts and CocoaPods. Begin by navigating to the root directory of your Flutter project. From there, execute the command flutter clean, which removes all existing build outputs. Following this, change your directory into the iOS folder by typing cd iOS. Inside the iOS directory, run pod deintegrate to remove CocoaPods integration, and then immediately run pod install to reintegrate and fetch all necessary pods fresh. After these steps, return to your project's root directory by typing cd, and then attempt to run your application with Flutter Run. This sequence forces a complete refresh of your project setup and frequently resolves underlying pathing conflicts. Next, it's crucial to verify your Xcode command line tools setting. Sometimes, Xcode defaults to an incorrect or older version, which can trigger this error. To check this, open Xcode, go to Xcode in the top menu bar, and then select Settings or Preferences on older macOS versions. In the Settings window, click on the Locations tab. Here, you will find a drop-down menu labeled Command Line Tools. It is absolutely vital to ensure that this drop-down is set to the specific version of Xcode 15 that you are currently using, such as Xcode 15.x.x. If you have multiple Xcode versions installed on your system, this step is particularly critical for avoiding path discrepancies. Our third solution involves ensuring your Flutter SDK and project dependencies are fully updated. An outdated Flutter version might not have the necessary patches or adaptations for Xcode 15. To update your Flutter SDK, simply run Flutter upgrade in your terminal. This command not only updates Flutter itself but also refreshes its core dependencies. Additionally, take a moment to review your pubspec.yaml file for any outdated package dependencies. Update them to their latest compatible versions if possible, and then run Flutter pub-get to fetch these updated packages. A newer Flutter version often includes crucial fixes for Xcode compatibility issues. For a more advanced troubleshooting step, consider a manual fix within your Xcode project settings. Open your Flutter project in Xcode by navigating to ios/runner.squirkspace. In the Project Navigator, select your main project, then go to the Build Settings tab. Use the search bar to look for library_search_paths. Examine the entries here carefully. You might find references to older Xcode versions or paths that appear incorrect. In some specific cases, removing certain $DTTOOLCHAINDIR entries or ensuring they are correctly inherited can resolve the issue. However, exercise caution with this step. It's always wise to create a backup of your project before making manual changes to Xcode build settings. As a last resort, if none of the above solutions prove effective, a complete reinstallation of Xcode might be necessary. This is a time-consuming process but can resolve deeply entrenched path or toolchain corruption. First, completely uninstall Xcode from your system. Then, download a fresh copy directly from the Mac App Store. A clean installation ensures all paths and developer tools are correctly set up from scratch, often eliminating persistent errors. Only consider this drastic step if all other, less intrusive methods have failed. We genuinely hope that one of these detailed solutions helps you fix the frustrating DTTOOLCHAINDIR error and allows you to continue with your Flutter development smoothly. This error can indeed be a significant blocker, so overcoming it is a huge relief. Please take a moment to let us know in the comments section below which solution worked best for you, as your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps other developers facing the same problem. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this information helpful and valuable, please consider giving this video a thumbs up to support us, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful Flutter tips, troubleshooting guides, and development insights. We truly appreciate your continued support. Happy coding!